Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha and today I'm going to be reviewing some of the most viral beauty products which have been all over my Instagram. So have you all ever been tempted by any of the viral products which have been trending all over your social media, your Instagram? वेल आई एम नॉट डिफरेंट, मेरे साथ भी यही चीज़ हुई है और मैं काफ़ी टाइम से अपने इंस्टाग्राम फीड पे कुछ ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में देख रही थी. दे वो वेरी वायरल एंड वेरी ऑल ऑफ द ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स वर रिकमेंडिंग देम. तो मैंने भी सोचा दैट लेट्स ट्राई एंड टेस्ट आउट इफ इट्स वर्थ द हाइप और नॉट. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. So I have 4 major brands. One is none other than Gush Beauty. Second I have from Kiro. Third is Prosh Beauty, and the fourth one is Tipsy. So one by one I'll try all of those products and give you an honest and brutal review that how each product is and you should buy it and is it worth investing your money or not. Okay, so the first product which I am going to be trying is none other than Gush Beauty's Squishy Blush, which I was very excited for. ये मेरे Instagram feed पे बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा था, बार दिख रहा था, and everybody is trying to get their hands on this and it's very crazy about them. So देखते हैं कि ये worth the hype है या नहीं है. How does it feel on your skin? The shade is Bare Me Nude and I am taking out a little on my hand first. Since this is a liquid blush, I think it might be pigmented and it apparently it is supposed to be very pigmented. So okay, so I blended it in a lot well and now you can see a very sun-kissed kind of a look on your face. Also it's very pigmented, तो थोड़ा ही लेना हाथ में and just put it on your palm first and then apply it on your face. Otherwise it's going to be a lot more pigmented unless and until you like those dark pigmented blush kind of looks. So definitely this blush, the Squishy Blush from Gush Beauty is a yes for me and I would recommend it for a evening dinner, parties or if you have to go somewhere out fancy तो ये अच्छा है. But for your everyday use I would not recommend this because ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा pigmented है, काफ़ी dark है, तो वो पूरा blushy look दिख के आता है until and unless you are very keen on having like a blush kind of look तो ये आप लगा सकते हो. But for an everyday look I would not recommend this. I would recommend this for a dressy event or a dinner party or a function या आपको दिवाली पार्टी पे जाना है या if you're going for a wedding somewhere, this is the kind of product I would like to carry because it has all of your needs covered in one. Moving on, I have another product from Gush Beauty. So this is an illuminating moisturizer. So it is supposed to have like a glowy texture and even without putting on a lot of makeup you can have like a no makeup look, especially for summers. So let's see. on our hand and check if it's actually worth it or not. It's a little pinkish in shade. I can see the glow it has into it. Oh wow, it has a nice luminance to it. I think अगर आपको कुछ मेकअप नहीं करना है and simple ही रहना है, either if you have a beach day or something like that, you don't want to do a lot of makeup and just want to stay naturally vibrant, तो ये जो moisturizer है, it has the sun-kissed kind of vibe from within. It has that luminance from within. और उसके अलावा आपको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. You just put the moisturizer, apply some blush and you're ready to go. I really like the product and it is very lightweight as well. तो दैट इज़ अ येस फॉर मी. एंड जो मॉइस्चराइजर्स में होता है ना कि वो चिप चिप करते हैं, वो वैसा चिप चिप नहीं हो रहा है इसमें. इट इज़ क्वाइट लाइट एंड इट इज़ एब्जॉर्बिंग इनटू माय स्किन एंड मेकिंग इट अ लिटिल मोर स्मूथर एंड द टेक्सचर is also coming out a little more. So I definitely think this was a hit for me. And moving on to the next product. Okay, so I've tried these two products from Gush Beauty and definitely it is a very very big yes for me. Both of these products were good in their own way. I mean, the blush has a good if I talk about the packaging firstly, packaging बहुत ज़्यादा cute है और convenient है to carry. If you all see the blush also, it's very cute, small, and you can put it in your bag and carry it along everywhere you go. And the moisturizer also, it's very slim and that can be carried as well easily. So for an easy to go use, it's yes. For the packaging, I love the packaging of the products. Gush Beauty has done a good job on the packaging as well. And talking about the products, quality भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. It does not have that chip वाला texture to it. वो ब्लश में हो या वो चाहे मॉइस्चराइज़र में हो. आई वॉज वेरी वेरी स्केप्टिकल अबाउट द ब्लश एट फर्स्ट क्योंकि आई डोंट पुट एनी क्रीमी काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर्स ऑन माई फेस बिकॉज my face kind of tends to get oily after I put those. and ये ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं दिखा है मुझे इस वाले प्रोडक्ट में. both of those products, in fact, I really like the quality of the products also of Gush, and I would really recommend every one of you all to try your hands. and वो viral किसी reason की वजह से ही viral है. so definitely yes. Okay, so our next brand is Kiro Beauty and I have 3 products from Kiro. One is the lip and cheek oil which has a pH reaction to it. तो सबसे पहले वो ट्राई करते हैं और देखते हैं कि कैसा है, क्योंकि इस प्रोडक्ट के सबसे ज़्यादा रिव्यूज़ और सबसे ज़्यादा वीडियोस देखे हैं मैंने. इट अपेरेंटली रिएक्ट्स टू योर pH ऑफ योर स्किन एंड वो कलर चेंज होता है आपके स्किन या आपके बॉडी टेम्परेचर के अकॉर्डिंग. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज़ एंड इज़ इट वर्थ द मनी और नॉट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द बॉक्स लुक्स लाइक. it's from Kiro and it is a pH lip and cheek tint, and this is how the product looks like. It is clear and it is supposed to react on your pH. तो देखते हैं अप्लाई करके कि कलर चेंज होता है या नहीं होता है एक्चुअल में. Take out a little product on the applicator and just apply it. Oh yes, it definitely changes color according to your pH. सो दिस इज़ द प्रोडक्ट. ये पूरा वाइट है, क्लियर है, और जैसे ही मैंने इसको अप्लाई किया इट चेंजेस कलर टू अ वाइब्रेंट पिंकिश शेड. सो आई डेफिनेटली सी माई सेल्फ यूजिंग इट. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द टेक्सचर ऑफ इट, it is kind of ऑयली एंड स्लाइमी, तो मैं ये डेफिनेटली लिप्स पे लगाऊंगी. बट अगर मैं चीक्स की बात करूँ लाइक अ ब्लश, आई वुड नॉट यूज़ दिस एज अ ब्लश बिकॉज इट्स वेरी स्टिकी एंड वेरी ऑयली काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर टू इट, तो वो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट लाइक if you're going for an office everyday office kind of look, या आपको एक normal brunch पे जाना है, तो you can apply this. And if you are comfortable with all the oily things, or if you have a like dry skin, तो ये आप अपने cheeks पे भी लगा सकते हो. Otherwise I personally would not put it on my cheeks because I don't like all the hair sticking on my face and it irritates me a lot. So for my lips I would definitely use this product, but I don't see myself using it for my cheeks or on my eyeshadow or something like that. वो तो नहीं करूँगी मैं. But I definitely like the color changing reaction to it, and the color is very sweet. Moving on to our next product, it is again from the brand Kiro. It is a 4-in-1 lipstick stick. तो इसमें 4 अलग अलग शेड्स के लिपस्टिक्स है. So I've got it in the nudes and browns shade, and let's see how the texture is, how it looks like. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. It has 4 different shades, mini lipsticks into it, and these are matte lipsticks. और इसमें I'm trying it out, so I'll just swatch it on my hand and try it out for you. Oh, the texture is very good. काफ़ी soft, creamy, matte kind of texture है इसका. And this is how the color looks like. So this color over here, it looks like this. And बाकी के colors भी try कर लेते हैं. So these are the shades I have in this lipstick. इसमें 4 different shades है, from a normal pinkish shade to your brown nude and then your corals. तो आपके everyday use से लेके if you want to go for a dressy event you can carry this. However, it's not transfer proof completely. Matte है, creamy है, does not keep your lips dry, but it is not transfer proof, which I would for me personally I would not use this product where I have to use it for the entire day. तो वो I don't see myself using it. But if you want to use it for a normal outing, something very quick and very brief, तो ये use कर सकते हैं. And if you are not like crazy into super matte or long lasting textures या long lasting lipstick, तो ये this one is a definite try for you all. But if you like something which is एक बार लगा के उसको बस छोड़ देना है, तो वो आप लोगों के लिए नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, which is me. I am a person but I will apply a lipstick once and then leave it for the entire day. I don't like to keep reapplying the lipstick again and again. I just like to apply it once and then it's done. तो ये लिपस्टिक मैं तभी सिर्फ यूज़ करूँगी जब मुझे किधर ब्रीफ जाना हो. आई नो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कम इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम, तो वहाँ पे यूज़ करूँगी. अदरवाइज आई डोंट सी माई सेल्फ यूजिंग दिस लिपस्टिक. अबाउट द पैकेजिंग एंड ऑल, इट्स ओके, इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रेट. Even the lipstick product, it's quite decent. It's not like out of the box or something like that, but I like the idea of having 4 different shades into one singular इसमें, क्योंकि carry करने के लिए easy हो जाता है. If you all have to go for like an event somewhere, or if you are traveling for the entire day and you need from a day to night kind of shifter lipstick, तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा है उसके लिए. बट इफ़ यू ऑल वांट लाइक अ ट्रांसफ़र प्रूफ काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन तो वो नहीं कर पाएगा ये. Okay, so moving on to our next product, we have Kiro's eyeliner pen, which is super soft and it can last up to 24 hours, what they claim. And definitely I can vouch for it क्योंकि अभी भी जो eyeliner मैंने लगाया है वो इसी का है. And it is really easy to apply because it's an eyeliner pen and you can carry it along with you all everywhere you go. It's easy to apply. So I'll show you the texture. This is what it looks like. And जैसे वो ड्राई हो जाएगा वो एकदम मैट इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाता है. एंड it is really true to its word that it does not smudge at all costs. So this product is definitely worth a try. It is true to its words. वो स्मज नहीं होता है चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. आई हैव ट्राइड इट फॉर अ डे और टू एंड माई eyelids आर क्वाइट वाटरी. तो और आई एम वेरी क्लम्जी इन दैट वे. मैं eyeliner लगा के बहुत बार भूल जाती हूँ कि दैट आई हैव पुट ऑन अ मेकअप और समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड मैं ऐसे हाथ रब कर लेती हूँ एंड देन द एंटायर थिंग स्मजेस. But this eyeliner did not smudge and it is very true to its word. I like the product, I like the texture to it. And saying of the texture, जब हम लोग उसको निकालते हैं तो वो स्टिक होके नहीं रहता है. It just comes off smoothly. So I like that about it too. Definitely a keeper. Alright guys, so the next product I have is a very cute product. I know you all are going to like the product based on its packaging. Let's see how it turns out to be. So the product is from Prosh Beauty. It is a blush. It's a cream blush again, and it's something like this. I know it looks very cute, so I just bought it because of this packaging, and let's see if it's true to the packaging or not, and it's really worth the hype. So this is how the product has turned out to be. The blush is quite pigmented, but मुझे इसका texture इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. I don't know. It's very not so soft or not smooth kind of a texture. It's very rough. थोड़ा lipstick जैसा लग रहा है इसका texture मुझे. And I don't see myself using this product a lot. I mean, if you can use it like a lipstick it's fine, but अगर blush के इस पे देखेंगे तो I don't see myself using it a lot, and it's very average. I did not like the product. I just like the packaging of the product, but I am not contented with how it turned out to be. It was quite a disappointment actually. Moving on to our very last product, which is none other than Tipsy's shade shifter. So this is what the product looks like, and this has been all over my Instagram, and there are apparently 2 shades to it. I have got in the shade of the original one. तो इसका एक midnight shade आता है और एक original वाला आता है. This is again an pH shade shifter which reacts to your pH, and it is crazy blowing up on Instagram. So I had to try my hands on this and see if it's really that worth the hype. Yeah, it's just another average product which we've got. So I'm trying it on my hand again, just like I tried on Kiro. I think this works the same. Okay. So this is a very subtle kind of pink tone. I am definitely in love with this product from Tipsy. I love how it had turned out to be. इसका जो pH shade shifting है इट इज़ अ लिटिल म्यूटेड पिंक टोन. और अगर आपको कुछ ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं करना है एंड डोंट वांट टू शो दैट यू डन मेकअप, डेफिनेटली यू कैन ट्राई दिस. एंड मैं बहुत टाइम से ऐसा कुछ ढूंढ रही थी कि you know, if you have to go on such an event where you cannot apply makeup but you still want to keep your lips hydrated and tone down the look a little bit, yeah, agar you're not feeling up to the mark, don't want to do makeup, you can just use this one product and complete your entire makeup routine and you are good to go. I am so thankful to Tipsy to introduce this product into our life, and I would recommend it to y'all. Definitely try out this product and leave comments in the comment section below कि आप लोग को कैसा लगा. And talking about the price, I am going to be putting links in the description down below हर एक product जो मैंने आज try किया है. And if you all like the product, you can buy it and I'll be tagging it with the price as well. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope it was insightful for all of y'all, and I have my two favorite products, which are none other than Gush Beauty's Squishy Blush and Tipsy's Lip and Cheek Tint Oil. So I am going to be leaving each and every product's link in the descriptions down below. If you all want to try it, you all can go and click on the link down below. And if you want me to try on some new products like these, please give on suggestions in the comment section down below and I will try it out for you. Until we meet, bye.